All right, welcome back, guys. It's a brand new season, at least for me. We're almost there. I think the arm is getting pretty close to 100. I'd say at least 90%. We're bowling the last regional of the year West. The good thing that we're in Vegas, because if it was a different regional, and let's say I have the 9 balls I brought and go, oh my God, 7 of them look terrible, we'd be in a little bit of trouble. We'd be tweaking with surfaces, we'd be doing all kinds of things, whatever we need to do to get our ball to do the right thing. Because right now, I'm not seeing my ball do the right thing. So I might drill 2 or 3 balls and fingers crossed they work. We're going to the pro shop here at South Point to go pick up a ball. They're gonna hook me up, I'm gonna replace it. But they're doing me a big favor. Hopefully it helps us win the tournament.
If you want it, you gotta dig deep. I'm on top of the mountain, but it's real steep. Been through the valley, now I'm at the peak. Yeah, a higher learning every time I speak. And when kings collide, they expect to fight. But I know the truth, yeah, we the light. Don't believe that.
Shout out to the guys here at South Point, taking care of us. Hopefully the guess is correct. And I'm gonna drill a gem. I can't say gems anymore because it's an actual ball. You guys will see. Need some work. So it's kind of cool. Some regionals have what we call a non-champ. So everyone that's never won before, they can all bowl this tournament. And for whatever reason, the winner gets granted a title. Now, does that make sense? You beat a bunch of people that never won before and you get a title? In my opinion, no, that doesn't make any sense. Mikey, surprisingly, has never won a PBA title as a member. So he's currently in the running. He is duking it out for his very first one as a member.
Nice round of applause from right here in Las Vegas, Nevada, Mr. Tyler Betts.
Wait, he lives in Vegas? I had no idea. A little short, a little short. Sometimes it just doesn't go your way, and you just gotta move forward. This came out in 2018. No, I think it came out before that, but it was a really good ball. No rules pearl. That's our late in the block ball, so hopefully it rolls good. Give me that left side shim. Very good start. Couple good breaks, couple good shots, and we have a 5-bagger. Simplicity is the best thing we can do when it comes to high-scoring events. Actually, I don't even know if it's going to be high-scoring. I think they can get really choppy. We're bowling on 43 feet. A lot of people can do a lot of different things. A lot of pairs may be different. So we're going to try to put ourselves in a position to have as much consistency as possible.
You're flowing.
We're flowing. The lanes are letting us miss a little bit, and it's paying off.
This might be the least amount of effort I've seen you use in a long time.
Hook and free, yeah, it's gotten a little more efficient. That one day of practice was good. It's just too free. They give me the first tee like that. All right, cool. I moved one right, kept it in front of me a little more. I don't want to do anything stupid, like get super steep and think there's hook there and then have no hook. It is still 43 feet, so that's usually the safer play, kind of lean on that side of things. Because we basically made the lanes do what we wanted them to do. Yeah. But tell me this, you probably missed a couple shots over there and they still struck, right? You gotta blame the lanes more than you blame yourself. That's really the key. Gotta help him out. He's like a 2-year sub. This is why I'm sub 2 on Twitch. It's partially why I'm helping you. All right, let's see if we can do something fun on this pair. I might throw 2 different balls. Catch. Didn't think this was the land that would give me problems. You can tell we got all the slow pairs right here because we're 4 frames behind those guys. No, catch. Not great. That's so bad. What are you even thinking when you get up there? You're just... sometimes, man, sometimes. Very lackluster day.
Bad ones, just don't get away with them. They have circles around them. I missed, went through the nose, and left the 9-10.
One of those days.
Yeah.
Move.
Any day the UFO alert looks good is a good day.
It looks good more often than not. We are splitting way too much. 6 splits in 2 games, and we're -10. So we're striking plenty, but the ball's not quite doing the right thing for us to break up the splits. Help me God. Wow, that hooked early. Nice, Darren. God, that's so bad. Not very happy with how I bowled today. But I'm looking at it as a whole. The number is going to be the number no matter how you bowl. But I want to end the day knowing I did the best I could and I did not. I got to set up the first pair and I got, lucky on the ones that may not have been great. And then after that, I had one good game. But everything else, it was like I'd never seen a bowling ball go down the lane before. We got to fix that because a scorecard that looks like this is not a very good one. We got to do better tomorrow.